Hello my dear students, welcome back to mathematics class with your ma'am Ashu, and we are doing unit 13 of your NCERT book, surface areas and volume, and we have started 13.5 exercise. Today we are going to do question number 6 in this video. So let's see what is that question and how we can find out the solution of this question. So let's start the question. Dear students, before starting the question, if you like my videos, subscribe my channel, do the like option, comment on my video and share my videos with your friends. So let's read question number 6. A village having a population of 4,000. Village में कितनी population है? 4,000. Requires 150 liters of water पर हेड पर डे. एक इंसान को एक दिन में 150 लीटर्स वाटर रिक्वायर्ड है एंड टोटल पॉपुलेशन इज़ 4,000. अगर एक पर्सन को इतना पानी रिक्वायर्ड है डियर स्टूडेंट्स, तो 4,000 की पॉपुलेशन को कितना रिक्वायर्ड होगा? क्या करेंगे? मल्टीप्लाई. नाउ इट हैज़ अ टैंक, मीन्स देयर इज़ अ टैंक इन अ विलेज measuring 20 meter, 15 meter and 6 meter length, breadth, height. For how many days will the water of this tank last? कितने दिन इस टैंक से गांव में पानी पहुंचाया जा सकता है? So let's start how to do this question. So we will first calculate that how much water is needed for the whole population. So dear students, what do we write? Water needed for one person per day. एक दिन में एक इंसान को कितना पानी चाहिए? 150. Therefore water needed for 4,000 population per day will be, how do you get? Let us multiply the two. 150 multiplied by 4,000 liters of water is required for this population. This is the requirement of the village. 15 fours are 60 and these 4 zeros. So that means 6 lakh liters of water is required for the whole village for one day, right? Now let us see what is the capacity of the tank. Now capacity or volume of tank is given to us, of tank which is cuboidal in shape, can be calculated by the formula L into B into H because its dimensions are given to us. So length is given to us as 20 meters, breadth is 15 meters and height is 6 meters, right? So let us calculate the quantity which is there, quantity of water which is there in the tank. So but when you calculate it, dear students, you will get the answer in cubic meters, and here the capacity which we need for the whole population is there with us in liters. So we need to calculate it. So first of all let us calculate this. So this will be 1800 cubic meter. This is the water stored in the already there in the tank, and this is the water which is required for the population. But as you can see, it is in liters and it is in cubic meters. So first of all convert it into liters, either this into liters or this into cubic meters, and we know 1 cubic meter is equal to 1000 liters. So to convert this, let us multiply this by 1000 to get, so as to get the capacity of the tank in liters. So what is the capacity of the tank? You can see it is 18,000 liters. And how much required for one day? 6,000. So which capacity is greater? Tank's capacity is greater or the water needed for the population is greater? Of course the tank capacity is greater. So we will divide it by the water required for the population. So how do we get the number of days? So we will write therefore number of days for water, for which the water lasts in the tank. Water lasts in tank. कितने दिन चलेगा टैंक का पानी? So volume of tank divided by volume of water needed for 1 day per day. So that will be 18 lakh liters to the 6 lakh liters. So by cutting it, you will see 6 1s are 6 3, and liter will get cancelled out by liter. So how many days this water lasts for? ये जो पानी है, this will last for 3 days. So in this way, dear students, you will be able to solve this question. So very first of all, we will calculate the water needed for the whole population. Then we'll find the capacity of the tank. Then greater capacity of course is of tank. जो पूरी पॉपुलेशन के लिए पानी स्टोर कर रहा है, ऑफ कोर्स उसी की वैल्यू ज़्यादा होगी. सो वी विल डिवाइड दिस बाय दिस टू गेट द नंबर ऑफ डेज वाटर लास्ट इन टैंक. तो 3 दिन इस टैंक का पानी चल जाता है टू सप्लाई द वाटर टू द विलेज. नाउ लेट्स डू क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. नाउ लेट अस रीड क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, अ गोडाउन measures 40 meter, 25 meter and 15 meter. Means this is the length, breadth and height of the godown. That means it is cuboidal. Find the maximum number of wooden crates, each measuring this, that can be stored in the godown. अब godown में बेटा you all know that we used to put the crates in the godown. godown में crates को fill किया जाता है, godown को भर दिया जाता है. तो जब भी भरने की बात आती है, we know we find out the volume. तो कितने वुडन क्रेट्स करेंगे? तो जब भी ऐसा नंबर ऑफ समथिंग का क्वेश्चन आए तो क्या करेंगे हम? ग्रेटर वॉल्यूम अपॉन स्मॉलर. अब ग्रेटर किसकी वॉल्यूम होगी? गोडाउन की. एक क्रेट, जैसे आपने कोल्ड ड्रिंक की क्रेट देखी, ऑफ कोर्स द वॉल्यूम ऑफ गोडाउन इज ग्रेटर. सो वी विल व्हाट वी विल डू टू फाइंड द नंबर ऑफ वुडन क्रेट्स, वी विल डिवाइड द 2 वॉल्यूम्स. सो हाउ वी विल डू, लेट अस सी. सो वी विल राइट number of wooden crates can be placed in godown is equal to volume of godown divided by volume of 1 crate. Again, both the things are cuboidal in shape, so both formulas will be L into B into H and L into B into H. So let us put the values. For godown, the values are: length is 40 meter, breadth is 25 meter and height is 15 meter. And for crate, the dimensions are 1.5 meters. All are in meters, so no need to convert anything. So now all the meters will cancelled out. Okay, and after multiplying and dividing, we'll get the number of crates as 16,000. Means we can place 16,000 crates in this godown of this size. इस size की हम godown में 16,000 crates भर सकते हैं. So dear students, I hope the question is clear to you. Now try next 2 questions yourself and we'll discuss them in our next lecture. So that's all for now. Thank you. Subscribe my channel, like my video. Thank you and have a nice day.